All right. Here's all the goodies for my new PC build. I've got that one right there, but it's about 2.5, 3 years old. So I thought I would upgrade. As you can see, I've got the Asus X99-A motherboard. Um, this all came in a bare bones kit, so that's just, I was kind of lazy, and I knew all the parts were compatible, so that was why I did it. I got all the goodies in the Mobo box here. I just took it out, make sure everything was in there. Um, I've got a Corsair H55 liquid CPU cooling unit. Like I said, came with the build. It's going to be my first uh, liquid cooler that I've ever had. I've always used fan coolers, so it's going to be interesting when I try to install that, because it'll be the first time I've ever installed one of those. As far as memory goes, RAM, I've got 2 sticks of Ballistics DDR4. These are two 8 gig sticks. I've got 2 of them here, so that's 16 gig of RAM. Oh yeah, processor i7. It is a 5930K. This is a hex core. All the goodies right here. i7, obviously, i7 Extreme. It's very hardcore there. As far as storage goes, I've got a Crucial 256 gig SSD. So this will be what I'm putting my OS on, because it's an SSD. I also have with it a Western Digital Black, 1 terabyte. This is a normal drive. It's 3.5-inch drive for games and other content, media, whatever else I'm doing, since I do video editing as well. Dog is dreaming, freaking out. Hey, hey, wake up! You're freaking out. Mm-hmm. Um, as far as what's going to be powering this monster, I've got here a Thermaltake, smart 750 watt power supply. It's got flat cables, which is nice because I don't have to worry about them being all bunched up. It makes cable management easier. I don't know if you can see that, because they're flat, so you can run them behind the case easier. I've got right now in my machine that I have currently running, it's the module power supply. So, and of course, last but certainly not least, the OS Windows 7 Professional. Oops, probably broken now. Windows 7 Pro. Yeah. I'm still a Windows 7 Professional fanboy. I don't. I bought a laptop, had Windows 8, and I got rid of it and reinstalled Windows 7 on it. So, got the I/O shield. Got some SATA cables. Some more SATA cables. I've got these little pins for the motherboard. Hook up, USB and all that good stuff. I got a cool sticker. Comes with a cool sticker. That's always fun. I've got SLI cable, but I don't really have anything SLI. The one that I'm running right now has a GTX 780 in it, so that's what I'm going to be removing and putting in this new build. So yeah, this is the entirety of the build. GTX 780 superclock. My 750 watt power supply, 256 gig SSD, 1 terabyte mechanical drive, i7 5930K, my 2 8 gig DDR4. I got my Corsair H55 liquid cooler, and the Asus X99-A motherboard. So as soon as I get all this, well, as soon as I get the case, obviously I can't do anything without the case. At least I don't want to. Yeah. As soon as I get that, I will be recording it, and then I will post that video. So wish me luck on installing it. It's probably not hard, but it's the first time I've done it. So awesome. Peace out. Hey. Hey. You want to say goodbye to the camera? Finley. You want to say goodbye to the camera? Hey, I don't think so. I know you want to help. You can attach the SLI cable. Go ahead. Don't eat my graphics card. You're done. That's what I thought.